Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a retweet from your Twitter profile. So to do that, first go to your browser, and once you're in your browser, go to twitter.com and log into your account. So once you're here, let's select any Twitter and retweet it first, and then we'll learn to remove the retweet from our profile. So I'm just going to type in whatever and click on tweet. So there you go, I have retweeted this tweet. So let's select another tweet as well, and let's retweet this as well. So I'm just going to type random thing and tweet. So there you go, I have retweeted the tweet. So now go to your profile, and here you can see this post. So to delete this, all you have to do is click on cross mark and click on delete. So there you go, that is how you can remove a retweet from your Twitter profile. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.